To clone apps in Z Flip 6, we have two ways. The first way is we open Settings, then we will scroll all the way down until we see Advanced Features. Then we will scroll down again and we will select the Dual Messenger option. So with this one, if you have a messaging app, you can tap this toggle and install a second copy of that messaging app. However, this only works for messaging apps and not all apps. So if you want to clone an app which is not a messaging app, then we head back to our homepage's settings and we scroll all the way down until we see security and privacy. Then we will select the more security settings. We will then choose the secure folder and we want to set up the secure folder. If you're doing this for the first time, you will need to set a login for your secure folder. So I'll do this one. There we go. And I'll allow reset with my Samsung account for if I forget the secure folder login. So here is the secure folder. At any time from your home screen, swipe up and you should see the secure folder here. And so if we tap the plus, we can then tap any app on our phone and then we can tap on add and this will add that app to the secure folder. So this is a duplicate version. So if I open it up, you can see this is a duplicate version. And then I have the regular Gmail here. And so you can see the apps have been cloned.